Hey, I'm Eddie Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and here at Dherbs, we get tons and tons of health-related questions. But this week, we're going to tackle white blood cells. Our first question comes from Dragnabbit. White blood cells fight infection, but how does the body fight infection in places where white blood cells aren't flowing? This is a fact. I know what you're thinking. White blood cells can only travel where blood vessels are. Believe it or not, that's simply not true. Think about it like this. You have your blood vessel. Let's think of it as being the freeway. Now, as it's traveling down that freeway, your exit is coming up. The reason why you know that exit is coming up because your body leaves a chemical marker. When your white blood cells see those chemical markers, it knows to leave those blood vessels and head towards that chemical marker where the infection lies. That's when it's going to travel through your body, cells, and do whatever it takes to get to that infection. Now, there are some places where white blood cells can't travel, like your eyes, your spinal cord. Those areas are called immune privileged because it can actually damage those particular things in such a way where they won't work. They actually have their own special immune cells that's built for those areas. Our next question comes from Bjork2. Why do your white blood cells not attack tattoo ink, thus getting rid of them? This is fiction. They do attack it. Your immune cells on a daily basis, they're dealing with bacteria and they're dealing with viruses. When it comes to pigments, they don't have a weapon to fight that particular thing. The immune cells actually get stuck permanently along with the ink. Laser removal, that actually breaks down that tattoo so your immune system can actually get rid of it. Our final question comes from General Elephant. How do white blood cells replicate immunity between generation of cells? This is fiction. White blood cells don't actually do this. Antibodies do. Some white blood cells are responsible for creating antibodies, but antibodies themselves aren't cells. They are actually little strands of protein. Those proteins actually float around your bloodstream in specific, unique shapes. They're actually looking for bacteria or viruses that have tried to infect your body before. When the protein finds an enemy cell that matches its shape, it actually attaches itself to that foreign object and calls the white blood cells and lets them know that we need to destroy that particular thing before it infects your body. That's all for today, and thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions that you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay healthy.